Yeah.
Hurry up!
Just do it. What are they gonna do?
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh, you got it?
You get him?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Whenever you're ready.
Just gonna record all of them right now.
Mm-hmm.
You good?
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
This guy in the orange.
The fucking orange M&M was all pissed off.
Yeah, dude. He's still looking at us. Go, 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 go.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna hit it very hard.
Little girl's like, what the fuck? God.
You get him?
Yeah. Go.
Oh shit! She jumped so bad.
Can you see? Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Shit, what the fuck happened? No, just keep going. What the fuck happened to this thing? I didn't get it recorded. Like literally right.
Good, Josh.
God.
Mom, turn first.
You gotta start first.
Damn.
Hey, get the chick right here, right?
He ain't that bad looking.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, go. What's happening? Yeah.
Oh, that was good.
Dude, what the fuck?
Yeah, got it?
Laser, the only laser that maintains the cornea and provides better night vision.
Nice.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty little liar.
One of them jumped. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Aww. He shakes his head down.
What did he say? He
points,
pointed
I don't
at us. Hold on, slow down, slow down. I can't hear you! Say again! What? Thank you, we know! Yeah. I'll be waiting for that day, thank you. Yeah, you too.